Today, we will be installing our new 30-inch wide Pacific Range Hood PQ68 with our professional installer. The PQ68 can be installed as under cabinet and wall-mounted with optional accessories. You will see how easy it is to install, and we will go over the step-by-step installation process for you. Take out the appliance from the box. We recommend using the protective plastic to cover the countertops. Be sure to check the complete list of materials that you'll find in the installation guidelines. To properly install the exhaust duct, you will need 2-inch wide aluminum duct tape. For wall mount installation, locate the wooden studs in the wall and mark their locations. Now, we're going to measure for the location of the installation bracket. Take out the installation bracket and the installation bracket mounting template and attach the template to the wall. We then will drill the holes as indicated on the template. Remove the installation bracket mounting template from the wall. As the technician is demonstrating, it's always a good idea to make sure that your markings from the template are centered and level. Place the main bracket on the wall, adjust the level, and use a pencil or marker to clearly identify the locations where you will drill. In this example, the technician will be drilling through marble and is using a masonry drill bit. Then, use 6 1 1/2-inch screws from the supplied materials to mount the bracket on the wall. Before you completely tighten the screws, confirm that the bracket is level. Place the cabinet installation template facing down and attach the template on the bottom of the upper cabinet. Mark the 3 holes through the template where you will drill later. Cut away the paper from the template for the opening of the duct and mark the size of the needed opening. After marking the square, cut the wood out with a power saw as the technician is doing. Drill the 3 holes that you marked with the cabinet installation template. Measure and install the exhaust duct and secure it with the aluminum duct tape. Remove all of the protective film from the range hood surface. Use the lower 2 holes on the back side of the hood to hang the hood on the installation bracket. Using one hand, lightly push the appliance upward and attach it to the cabinet with the 3 flathead screws and washers. There will be 2 on the right and 1 on the left. Now use the 4 round head screws to attach the collar to the top of the hood. You will now use the aluminum duct tape to secure the duct to the hood collar. We recommend a second layer of aluminum tape to help secure and seal the exhaust duct. Now, plug in the power cord. Turn on the light and you can open the deflector panel. With the panel open, take out the baffle filters, remove the protective film, and then reinstall the filters. Remove the protective film from the oil tray and install it on the lower side of the appliance. There is an optional wall mount installation. You can buy a duct cover at your local store. The installation is easy and will look like this. Be sure to thoroughly clean the stovetop area before using, and we recommend stainless steel cleaner and polish to wipe down your new range hood. When you are ready, read over the operating instructions that describe the updated technology and ease of use of your PQ68 new range hood. The powerful fans and suction of the PQ68 will help keep your kitchen air fresh and be a pleasure to cook with for years to come.